Hi everyone, this is my cutting edge technology assignment for EDTC 625. So the app that I am using for this assignment is called Explain Everything. I'm going to give a little information about the app, talk about integration into classes, and then more benefits. So about the app, it is free with in-app purchases. I played around with the free version and that seems to be enough. This is a screenshot from the App Store, what they show you. So basically you can upload a PDF or photo or anything from a textbook, from a website, from LMSs like Canvas or Google Classroom, and basically you can add to it. So using whatever material you have on your screen, you can add sticky notes like you see there, you can add text boxes, you can narrate things, you can show it live, you can post it to an LMS, and you can have participants in it as well. So for integration, this would be very useful across many subjects. I personally teach language arts, and I can see myself using this with a PDF of a chapter or a story that we're reading as a class and making notes as we read it together. So I would do it with live instruction, maybe put student ideas right onto the page so they can all see that and they can kind of learn how to annotate from there. Students can also use it as a formative assessment or things like note taking. This would be helpful for homework assignments or instructing the entire class, going through it together, explaining why you're making certain notes, taking suggestions from kids. So some other benefits, we know that students learn better with interactive technology, and this app allows them to be reading something or looking at something specific and adding in their notes and seeing their notes on the screen, and then when they come back to it, their notes are still there. They won't forget the thoughts that they had. Students will therefore be more involved in the learning process. And if teachers are creating products in real time with students, there could be less prep time for them.